Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the icon on the web applications that you create. So you might have noticed that not all of the web applications that you create pull the logo through from the website. So let me illustrate this. I will create two. So for the first one, I'll do ChatGPT. And once that's open, we'll click here and just say add to dock. This will prompt a little box where we can rename the app. I'm happy with ChatGPT, so let me go ahead and add that. So you can see it's added it down here. And in this instance, it has pulled through the ChatGPT icon. But now if we go to a place like Google Sheets, and we try and do the same. So let's just go and add that to the dock. So we'll make this Google Sheets. Now you can see down here, it's actually just used the Google logo and not the actual logo from Google Sheets. So what you want to do is, I'm just going to minimize this for a second. What you want to do is you want to head over to the internet and just grab the icon that you're looking for. So in my case, this is the one that I've got on my desktop here. And then you want to right click on the app that you've created, go to Options, Show in Finder, and this will show you the applications that you have created. So once you right click on it and say get more info, and you'll be given this little box. So all you want to do now is drag the icon that you downloaded onto this little icon here. So let's go ahead and do that, and you'll see it will have changed now. But now it won't change on the actual app until you launch it or until you quit and relaunch it. So once I launch it, now you can see that it's actually changed the icon. If this video has helped you, please leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing to the channel.